G'day and welcome back. And once again I've just returned from the post office, so we'll have a look at what's in here. Should be there it is. So that's from Jed, who used to have Melbourne Model Raceway, I believe it was called. So this is a brand new rear-engined Offenhauser a Triang Scalextric rear-engined Offenhauser. Oh, I can't remember the number. Should be the C80, I believe, with the C79 being the front engine Offenhauser. So this is brand spanking. I just need some gear to fix it up. I think I might actually put the running gear out of a worn out car. Anyway, that's what I got from Jed, formerly of Melbourne Model Raceway. And I'll see you in the next video.